Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to talk about Avecta Group PLC. So if you look at this chart, it's pretty much interesting to see how the price has been moved in a very short span of time. If you just check out the price movement, so from the lows of March 2020 it has moved 1500% within a span of 60 days. So these kind of moves really happen because of some unusual trading, nothing else. Because a serious investor won't look into a company unless it has strong fundamentals, or a professional person who is very fond of technicals. He will look into a chart which is very much strong and it's uptrending. So if the chart has been falling, so this chart has been falling since 2003 onwards, and you can see here the sharp rise is pretty big. So what it does is it invites lots of new persons who are new to the stock market. It doesn't matter, it's an experience that it doesn't matter whether you are in UK, or whether you are in Uganda, or uh, you are in India or Nepal or any country, or US or England, London. So it doesn't matter. The problem is, if you are new to this subject, if you are new to stock market, people get lured to this kind of returns. It's as simple as that. If you want to play the game, you must be aware of the rules and how the game should be played before jumping with the things that are used in the game and you just start playing. You can't do that. Okay, so you should be aware about these facts before doing or putting your money into these kind of companies, where the moves is very sharp. Either even if the fundamentals are not there, and stock will move up by momentum and simply by because people are putting money into it. You should know about your risk. So that's the key. If you don't know about your risk, what it have makes you that once the upside is over, because most time it's very heartening and sometimes amusing to see that how could some people catches exactly the top of the stock price, and after that what does happen, that X or Y amount of person put their money, and the next moment stocks start falling, and it kept on falling for the next 5, 10, or 15 years. This shows about your thought process before putting your money, because you are not aware. I'm not criticizing or saying anything about anybody. It is just that the money is limited for a person. It may not be limited for a bank, for an institution, for an economy, but it is limited for a person. So you must think before you put your money into the work. Okay, you must not mix emotion and money at the same time. That's a very dangerous concoction. You should be know and aware about that. So without further ado, let me just tell you about the important support and resistance which you can check in this stock, and most importantly when the stock risen by 150%. And right now the good thing is it is not falling here. You see this range, let me just zoom a bit. It's not falling after rising 1500%. It's consolidating right now from the last 4 months. Okay, so that's a good thing, but it is better to know your risk. That's the only thing. If you made money, everybody is happy. If you don't make money, you are the only person who will feel sad and alone. Okay, nobody is going to take care about you. So your money, your responsibility. So that's the thing. So your support, first support will come near 59 and then 43. So just check out the current price, which is at 130, and your support comes at 59 and 43. So you should be aware about these kind of things. And if it indeed breaks below 43, it might goes down towards 10. Okay, so that's the risk That's why you should know about your support level and you should act appropriately when the trade or the investment which you have made goes against you. So this is the support level which you need to take care first. Later on, your first resistance will come at around 162 and then 229, which it was previously, right now 229, beyond which the stock will go towards 774. Now, I'm not saying that it won't go higher, it will go to 774, can't say. It can go to 2003 high of 5800 or 6000, it's possible. But understand one thing, the higher the rise, the sharper the fall. Okay, so it's a simple law of gravity. If the stock price moves very sharply in a short amount of time, in double quick time the stocks comes down. Okay, so you should know about your support and resistance level and you should know about your risk. So beyond 229, the next target will be 774. But what you need to do at first place is know your support levels, which are these 2 points, below which there will be a further downside. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel for these kind of contents. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.